So this is our first major milestone of this year, this floor completion. So last year we completed one floor, that is Brahmachari Ashram, and of course this year it is not even on our plan. It was added on the way, on the go. So this will be our conference floor in the future. So in the center, in future, if you want, we can make a partition. This is actually the conference room, and that is seminar room, and this multimedia room. This is how it is designed, but still, let us see in the future how it goes. Thank you so much for all your support and your very strict sadhana tapasya. Your sadhana and tapasya is bringing pleasure to Prabhupada, and Prabhupada bestowing his mercy. So thank you so much.
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Ram, Ram Ram,